Hi, it's Lynette. Welcome to the AWS GRE Hack. So this is a 2-day hackathon where we are tasking students from University of Greenwich to find solutions to 2 challenges that AWS have given us.
We've chosen the hottest topic in technology at the moment, one of the most disruptive technology movements for a generation around generative AI. And we've set 2 important challenges. One is to put yourselves in the shoes of our products and service teams to think about how you would build a business strategy for that amazing solution we have called Amazon Bedrock. And secondly, how can we use generative AI to improve our recruiting processes?
We came across GRE Hacks when we worked with the Ambitious About Autism hack, and off the back of that, it was such a success in terms of the engagement from AWS, the feedback we had from the students, and also the quality of the input that we saw. We thought it'd be great to do one on AWS.
We have decided to support this hack as part of our commitment to really scale the impact of AWS across society. And it's an area we're super passionate as a team to really support developing talent and the next generation of builders.
There are so many skills I'm getting, like organizational skills, teamwork skills, time management. I also wanted to meet the AWS team. I got to meet the manager of public relations and customer management. This is something I can take forward for my career as well.
My favorite part of the hack was our master classes. So many knowledgeable people there. I learned a lot from them, and I'm pretty sure after this hack I'm going to use them in my studies.
The highlight for me was the questions from the students throughout yesterday. So obviously I set the brief and there were loads of great questions, loads of great engagement. You could tell people have been listening, absorbing, and just the energy in the room straight from 9 o'clock before the hack started has been awesome. So that's been the highlight for me.
What I enjoyed most about this, it was the team working. Being able to brainstorm ideas together and see them flourish.
It's been amazing to see the participation and the engagement from all the students. The commitment has been phenomenal. We've hardly had anybody drop off, and everybody's been here bright and early, and they've just been playing flat out. They've all taken to it very, very well, and we're super proud of all the students who've taken part.
I love GRE Hacks.
I love GRE Hacks.
I love GRE Hacks.